had to do it, man.
Yo. Dude. You shot that many fucking times, dude?
I was shooting.
Who just fucking hit me with fucking 15 or 20 rounds in the fucking back?
I hit
My back turned, you fucking coward. I get somebody by the back, I go 1, 2, 3 maybe, like.
I was one of
2
them that
feet,
ran up
no,
on you.
whatever, man.
I was one of them.
Cool? Paybacks are a bitch though, aren't they?
Girls suck, on 60 on, mags up.
Paybacks are a fucking
All
bitch.
players head to the bottom of the field.
I'm an old man. I play airsoft at 40 years old.
You think it's funny? Who's fucking laughing?
It's toy guns, dude. Relax.
Huh?
It's toy guns. You gotta relax.
No shit, don't tell me to relax and don't start me, Junior.
Toy guns, bro.
Huh?
Just toy guns. You gotta relax.
That's all you can say?
It's plastic BBs. It doesn't hurt that much.
Stand there.
No.
Stand there. Bend down and stand there.
Let's not do this.
Bend down and stand there.
Knock it up.
Come on, guys.
Yo.
Come on.
They're just toy guns. Just gotta relax, man. Like, it's just a game. I know.
Yeah, you wouldn't be saying that happened to you. You'd be
Come
calling
on,
a
man.
bitch.
I'm 16, bro. You're like an old man. Like, don't.
Both of you, shut up.
Come on.
Yeah, you're a fucking baby.
Yo.
Come on. Lock it up. It's not worth it, all right?
That's going on YouTube. Got that.
No, I'm not here. Outside of here. Come on, man. He's 16, dude. Yeah, he's a little asshole, smart ass.
Come on, man. You're bigger than that.
He didn't want to bend down and take shots. Oh, it's a toy gun, man. It's a toy gun. It's called overshooting. You don't have to fucking shoot that many times. Hey, Chris.
Come on, lock it up.
Yeah, there was 3 of us that ran
I got
at
you.
Yeah.
I got you 1, 2, 3 shots. So my
And then
bad.
I ran up. I was pre-firing so you couldn't lift up.
That was pretty close. No, I'm gonna look and make you look like I'm.
Hey,
no, whatever, man.
Drop your mag and put the
My
belt
bad.
on.
There's 20 fucking rounds on you, dude. What the fuck? I get down like this. You got to right there.
6 on, mags
Takes 1. Pop. Yeah.
check. Everybody agree. Start walking off. Keep your mask and arm stick on. We're past the code.
I don't mind getting hit, man.